Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is January 13 and we're looking at the chart of gold, 60 minutes time frame. Here is the spot gold chart, and we're going to be talking about the short and sort of medium term outlook for gold. Okay, so we can see right here we finished with 3 minor degree here, with 4 ended here in the form of a double 3, right, at 42.73. Then it has started to rally higher and makes new all-time high. We can see clearly here we got this 1 2 3. We don't have any divergence in the momentum at the peak. So what this simply means is that it is not a wave 5. So for anyone that thinks this is 1 2 3 4 5, well, this is not a wave 5 since we do not have a divergence here versus this one, right? This one versus this one, no divergence here. So we're still within wave 3 from this low, and within wave 3, this means we most likely should continue to go higher and pull back, should find support in 3711 swing. The next potential target, if I zoom out, right, so here is 1 and 2. I'm copying this in the 4-hour time frame. So wave 3 simply can be measured as 100% of wave 1, right? So we're gonna be looking for the following here. So the minimum target we can, well, we actually more or less hit the 100% already here. So yes, 3 could be complete, or maybe we can see one more leg higher to finish 3. But whether 3 is finished or not, this is only 3 waves, and therefore we should be at minimum getting one more leg up to finish a 5 waves from here. Now in the primary count here, we're still calling for one more push higher to finish 3. So if that's the case, then we can get 2 more high like this, 3 4 5, right? If 3 ended here, then that means we got a 4 and a 5, which still is 1 more high. So in any case, like I mentioned, most likely we're going to get at least 1 more like higher, right? Or if not 2 more. Then after that, we should be finished with this cycle, and then also at the same time finish with 5 as well, and finish with another bigger cycle if that's the case, right? If this is the 3 and the 4, that means the 2 and the 1 is here, and then we will be finished with the cycle from October 28. And then we will get yet a bigger pullback. Not topping out or anything, but it's gonna be a bigger pullback to correct this 5 swing up. Maybe something like this, 1 2 3 like this, right? Before going up again, right? So that's the idea, but shorter cycle we should continue to see more upside now, and any pullback should continue to find buyers in 3711 continues to go higher. All right, so that's the update, and as always, if you do like to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. You can find the trial link in the description of the video, and see you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.